Listen, people are charging like 100 plus for this hairstyle right here. Okay? Right here. When you could do it yourself for free. Watch me do it. Stay
Okay,
tuned.
so first things first. I already parted like the front portion of where I'm gonna be braiding at, and then I have the back of my hair section off. So let's get started on these front braids.
Okay, so I was gonna do braids, but I was struggling. Okay, I don't really do braids on myself that well, so I decided to do flat twist instead. Fingers crossed, I hope this turns out well. So, as far as these flat twists go, the best way I can describe how to do them would literally just be twisting on your head or like trying to twist to your scalp or something. I don't know how else to explain it, but I will say for me, it's easier to flat twist than it is to cornrow. And so now I am using rubber bands to tie my hair up at the ends. And only I use two, but make sure you don't tie it tight. You don't want your hair to be ripping out, pulling out, or breaking off, okay? Please be responsible. Okay, so one side is done. I'm going to do the other side like that, if that makes sense. Y'all about to see it. Okay, so I finally did the braids. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Whew, turned out pretty. Now, what I'm going to do is braid straight back down, all the way down here. Yes, yes. Hopefully it works. Okay, so I finished braiding down my hair completely. Whew, it felt like forever, but it really wasn't. Anywho, um, I basically did the method where I braid down, and then the tail end of that first piece, I connected at the top with the next braid that I was doing. I braid down, grab the tail, put it to the top, braid down, grab the tail, put it to the top, braid down. So this is what the back looks like. Don't judge me, judge your mama. You can see it's not perfect. It's not even parted. It don't need to be parted. It's going to be hidden anyways. So the next step is me sewing on this half wig. Okay, so I have needle and thread, and I'm going to sew my hair. I'm going to try to sew it like right behind the rubber bands, like literally right behind them. If I don't like it, then I'm going to bring it up a little bit more, and we'll just see what happens from there. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, this is the hairstyle. Well, I look like I have a bulge in my pants. I'm a woman, not a man. So yeah, here's the hairstyle. And I did it all by myself. Here's the back.
All right.